Tomorrow I'm gonna start school. So it's pack my fidgets. That's not real, you know? Okay, that's not. I think this will be really good for school because it's really, really quiet. This is definitely a keeper. I love the infinity cube! I love how it keeps changing shapes. That's so cool. This is definitely a yes. Definitely. This one's new from Mrs. Bench, and I think it's really cool. Look, it fits around my finger perfectly. I can see myself using this in science. In you go. My teachers would never let me have that. No, no, ow. I'm never gonna use it.
Little one.
It's not floss.
I love this one because it's so quiet and you can wrap one on your finger. It's definitely a yes. Let's bring this one to school.
Okay.
Does that feel good on your face?
Yeah, use it.
Oh boy. You've been around Isabel too long.
Santa's calling. Hello? Ooh. Oh. He said he got me icy machine.
An icy machine.
Santa wants to talk to you.
Hi. Okay, I've been a good girl. Oh no, this is too big for school. I think this one is a no-no. Definitely a no-no. It's cool, but I don't think it's really good for school because it's too big. That's why. This one's a no-no. My teacher's gonna think it's a toy. No. This is my favorite from last year. I love how it has all these buttons you can push and roll and spin around and feel. It's so cool. This one's definitely a yes.
It's Nene.
This one's cool, but I seriously think it's too big to be in my classroom. My teacher's gonna think it's a toy again. Yeah.
Nene! Nene.
It literally doesn't fit.
Nene. Nene eats rainbows.
I think that's bigger than a Nene. I think it's cool, but I think it's too big. Only one big pocket, okay? Oh my god. I seriously want to know how I'm gonna fit my stuff in here.
Poo, poo, poo. You have a poo-poo nose.
Oh, this one's definitely a yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who doesn't like poop? Oh my god. Okay. I'm never gonna zip this up. Thank you. How am I supposed to fit my computer in here now?
At least you have your pockets. Don't forget Nay-Nay.
No, not bringing that to school.
Bring it.
Fine, I'll bring it to school.